Hey guys, Jason here with OptiCoat and Optimum Polymer Technologies. Today we're going to talk about headlights. This is a fairly new car, so these headlights look pretty good, but we want to protect them from oxidation and the yellowing. You've seen it on the cars where the headlights look really bad. We don't want to do that or restore these or replace these later on down the road, so I've got something that'll help you with that. We've got our Opti-Lens coating. First thing I need to do is prep our surface. We're going to use our paint prep directly onto our lens. And that way we get any oils, grease, or anything left behind after we polish these and clean them up. Next step, we're going to apply our Opti-Lens coating. I'm going to put a few drops right here to prime my pad and apply it directly with just a little bit of pressure to make sure I'm working that chemical in. This is not a filling agent, so this is not going to fill in scratches or things like that. This actually is built to go on a smooth and clean headlight. So that's all there is to it. We're going to go ahead and let that set up just a little bit and hit any high spots, level it out. That's all there is to it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.